Good morning. So thank you guys for clicking to the link for this video, and welcome to this week's vlog. So it's a Tuesday morning and I just woke up. Today I didn't have much to do, so I just woke up. It's a slow morning, just tidying up things here and there, and then I got ready for a class. I was going to school for like an hour for a brief session that we had, and then I will be back. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the video, guys. Make sure you leave a like, a comment, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye. Hello, so it's yet another day. So today I woke up really hungry, like hey, yeah. So I just decided I will make a very cool breakfast. I don't know, but for me, I really enjoy having bread and avocado. Like God, I can eat that forever. Like yeah. So today I was just going to make tea and avocado and bread for my breakfast. So yeah. Hi guys, so it's a week later. Yeah, I've just been shooting some other stuff, so I'm getting ready for a class I have right now, and I am late. So I'm just doing my hair. I'm not even going to have breakfast. Like, I'm just going to have some water, and then when I come back, I'll just make brunch. Yeah, so today I've gone for just a very casual wear. Yeah, because I'm just going to be in school for a few hours and then I'm back. So I'm wearing this crop sweater, yeah, and these sweatpants, and I'm going to carry one of my favorite tote bags, yeah, and as always a pair of white canvas. Yeah, and that's all, guys. So let's go. So I have another afternoon session just right now. I want to pack my bag again because I was so late in the morning, like I didn't carry most of the stuff that I needed. So I'm carrying this one because honestly it's so cold, especially in the labs. So yeah, I'm going to keep warm today. Hi guys, so today has been quite a busy day, so I've just made lunch and it's around 3 p.m. So yeah, I'm just going to continue doing my assignments for now. So yeah, morning guys. So it's yet another beautiful morning, although it's cold, but yeah, so this is the outfit for the day. As you can see, yeah, I just love these earrings. I stole them from my mom, by the way. Yeah, and honestly I feel so cute today. Yeah, so let me head out. And today just feel like morning came too soon. Like I just had the alarm and I'm like, what do you mean it's morning? Like I just feel like a zombie, honestly. Like of late I've just been having so like busy days. But yeah, I can't just wait for the weekend. Like I'm just so tired. Okay, see you guys outside. So I'm having my breakfast right now. I'm having milk and a mixture of avocado and bananas. Yeah,